हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप लोग। आई होप समर के बढ़ते टेम्परेचर से बच के होंगे। तो समर इज़ फुल ऑन थोड़ी जल्दी ही। टू टेक आउट दिस स्क्रॉचिंग हीट वी हैड अ डे आउट एट Aquatica and it was a great experience. I would say it is a great place to hang out with friends and family. If you're staying in Kolkata तो शायद you have been to here, और अगर नहीं गए हो तो do must visit this place and have a day full of fun this summer. This water theme park is located near Rajarhat Township in New Town, almost 1 hour drive from central Kolkata. The entry fee is 1000 rupees for adults and 500 for kids in weekends. And in weekdays it is 900 rupees for adults and 450 for kids. They also provide costumes and lockers, and the best part is it is refundable. When you return the costume, you get the security amount refunded back. Starting from a comfortable resort, water rides and pools to splash in, conference rooms and banquets for the workaholic, events and parties organized with endless delicacies, the place has lot to offer. Lazy river, wave pool with live music, black hole, rough slide, aqua dance, and lots of water rides are available here. The timings are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. throughout the week, and the rides are closed for 1 hour as lunch break. On weekend, they also organize dance show, fashion show, and aqua Zumba happening on the wave pool. They also have food counters and serve drinks. The quality of the food is good, I would say, and drinks are a bit overpriced. Overall, this is a place which will give you a good whole day of entertainment and quality time. One can definitely choose to visit if one like water activities. A lot of fun for one day, I would say. Do visit to this place if you haven't and have fun. Enjoy watching the video. Thank you.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, darkest ground.